Welcome to our channel. If you're traveling abroad and want to avoid expensive data charges, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage international data usage. Step 1. Contact your carrier before traveling to understand international rates. Ask about daily roaming passes, travel packages, or pay-per-use rates for your destination. Step 2. Enable international roaming features if using your existing carrier abroad. Most carriers require you to activate international services before charges will process correctly. Step 3. Turn on data roaming warnings and usage alerts in your phone settings. These notifications help you monitor consumption and avoid exceeding package limits. Step 4. Download offline maps, entertainment, and translation apps before leaving. Having content available offline reduces your need for constant data connectivity while traveling. Step 5. Connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible at hotels, restaurants, and public spaces. Use Wi-Fi calling and messaging to avoid international voice and text charges. Step 6. Disable automatic app updates and cloud backups while abroad. These background processes consume significant data without you realizing it's happening. Step 7. Put your phone in airplane mode when not actively using it. Enable Wi-Fi separately to stay connected without accidentally using cellular data. Step 8. Consider purchasing a local SIM card or international eSIM for extended trips. Local options often cost dramatically less than international roaming through your home carrier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.